Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change Roblox location. To start, open Roblox, click on the three dots in the menu, then click on Settings. After this, click on Account Info. Finally, under Account Location, select the new location to use. Tap Set Location to apply this change. Note: in case you need to change this location again, you must contact Roblox support. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.